Hello explorers! Welcome back to our journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today, we're going to look at 10 adorable animals in the wild that will surely melt your heart. Let's get right into it. Our journey begins with the quokka. Dubbed the happiest animal on Earth, this Australian native is the smallest wallaby, measuring about the same size as a house cat. It is a herbivore who is most active feeding at night. By storing food in their chubby tails, quokkas can go a long time without food and water. Like their kangaroo relatives, quokkas move around by hopping on their hind legs and carry their young in pouches. They can climb trees as well. While they look cute and cuddly, quokkas are still wild animals and may bite if threatened. It is also illegal to touch a quokka. Prepare to be charmed by the fennec fox. With its oversized ears and inquisitive gaze, these desert dwellers are as cute as they are cunning. Native to the Sahara Desert, the fennec fox is the smallest fox in the world. It is characterized by its large ears, which help it listen for prey underground and aids in thermoregulation. The fox stays burrowed in the sand during the day to avoid the extreme heat and emerges at dusk to search for food. Their diet include insects, rodents, lizards, plants, fruits, and eggs. You've probably seen pictures of a smiling gecko plastered all over the internet. That would be the leopard gecko. Indigenous to the Middle East and parts of northern India, this lizard comes in various colors and patterns. Its name comes from the leopard-like spots that cover the backs of adult leopard geckos. This adorable reptile is nocturnal and loves eating all kinds of insects. Like the quokkas, leopard geckos can use the fat stored in their chubby tails to survive when food are scarce. Due to their unusually gentle disposition and low maintenance, leopard geckos are excellent pets, especially for beginners. The Pygmy Marmoset is the world's smallest monkey, weighing around 100 grams and measuring no more than 6 inches in body length. Native to the rainforests of South America, this diminutive primate has a lion-like mane around the face and intricate patterns on its fur, varying from shades of brown to gold. Their diet primarily consists of tree gum, which they access by gnawing holes in bark with their specialized teeth. Like many other animals, these primates face significant threats from habitat loss and illegal pet trades. Native to the Andes Mountains, chinchillas are related to guinea pigs and porcupines. They possess some of the densest fur coats in the animal kingdom. They have up to 60 hairs per follicle, unlike humans, who typically have only 1 hair per follicle. Their thick fur helps to keep them warm. When in danger, chinchillas can release a patch of their fur, called fur slip, to escape a predator. Unfortunately, their fur is also the reason they are being hunted by humans for the sake of fashion. Next up, we have the leaf sheep, a bizarre sea slug that looks like it came straight out of a Pokémon game. It is the only organism in the entire world that is not a plant, yet is able to photosynthesize. When these cute little creatures eat algae, they suck out the chloroplasts and incorporate them into their own bodies in a process called kleptoplasty. This process, which otherwise can only be performed by single-celled organisms, essentially makes them solar-powered slugs. Our next animal is the Dumbo Octopus, who hails from the murky ocean depth. Named after Disney's iconic flying elephant because of the 2 ear-like fins on the octopus sides, it is the deepest diving octopus, living in extreme depth up to 7,000 meters. Since they live in perpetual darkness, this creature has no natural predators. They feed off worms, shellfish, and small shrimp-like crustaceans called amphipods. Unlike other octopuses, this species of octopus doesn't have ink sacs. Scientists have identified 17 species of Dumbo octopuses so far and believe there could be many more residing in the ocean's abyss. For our next entrant, Look to the skies for a cute, round little bird with a head that's unusually large for its body. This little dude is the Cuban toady. As the name suggests, it is found in Cuba, and its vivid plumage of iridescent green, red, and white helps camouflage it among flowering plants. This particular bird is tamer than most wild birds and will approach humans in search for food. They eat mostly insects but will also eat fruit and even small lizards. Unlike some bird species, they are very adaptable and can be found in pretty much any habitats in Cuba. In Cuban folklore, the toady is associated with good luck and positivity. What's small and furry, glides through air, and has a sweet tooth? Well, a sugar glider, of course. These marsupials can be found in Australia, Tasmania, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. They're nocturnal in nature and often live in groups consisting several adults and their young. Thanks to its gliding membrane, known as the pterygium, which extends from its forelegs to its hind legs, one on each side of its body, sugar gliders can glide from tree to tree in the wild. Adult sugar gliders are usually 5 to 6 inches tall and weigh between 3 and 6 ounces. They feed on insects, small vertebrates, tree saps, nectar, pollen, and fruits. Like the Pygmy Marmoset, sugar gliders are one of the most traded wild animals in the illegal pet trade. Last but certainly not least, we have the delightful red panda, often referred to as the firefox. With its reddish-brown fur and a bushy ringed tail, this arboreal mammal is an expert at climbing trees and can even climb down a tree head first. They can be found in the mountainous regions of the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. While its name might lead you to think that they're related to the giant pandas, they are most closely related to raccoons. Like the giant pandas, red pandas feed on bamboos too. They may also forage for roots, succulent grasses, fruits, insects, and grubs, and are known to occasionally kill and eat birds and small mammals. And just like the giant panda, the red panda is an endangered species due to threats from habitat loss and poaching. And that's all we have on the 10 cutest animals in the wild. Which one stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more adorable adventures in the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay cute.